Good day, my furry viewers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a foliar fertilizer DIY. So what is a foliar fertilizer? It is a product which is designed to be applied directly to the leaves of the plant. Foliar feeding, as it is known, the nutrients are absorbed directly through the leaves of the plant. They work their way down through the roots, but they also stimulate activity in the leaves, which in turn stimulates root development because the plant starts to demand more water. Applying foliar fertilizer can increase uptake of nutrients from the soil by encouraging plants to take up more water, in addition to providing immediate benefits for a plant which may be suffering from deficiency. So this fertilizer will make the plants have flowers or fruits. So I'm going to show it on the video. I couldn't remember exactly the ingredients we use, so just watch the video because we created it and waited for 7 days and then check it if there are molds. If there's none, it's good to go. So you're going to wait for another 7 days, so total of 14 days, and then you're going to spray it. So yeah, just watch the video and yeah.
Ayan, lalagay mo dito sa float, tapos higayin mo ulit. Ayusin mo yung float.